In last video, we have discussed about causes and consequences of deforestation. Now the next one is conservation of forest and wildlife. In that the first one, biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserve are large areas of protected land for conservation of biodiversity and the traditional life of the tribals living there. In last video only, I said you what is biodiversity. It's a variety of plants and animal life in a particular habitat or place. Means biosphere reserve are large areas of protected land for conservation of plants, animals or microorganisms and the traditional life of the tribals. Here tribals means the group of common people who have common ancestors. So a biosphere reserve are large areas of protected land for conservation of biodiversity and the traditional life of the tribals living there. So biodiversity is the variety of plants, animals and microorganisms found in the area. Here the example, the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve consists of a national park called Satyapura and two wildlife sanctuary called Bori and Pachmari. Here Pachmari is one of the biosphere reserve which is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Pachmari is one of the biosphere reserve. It consists of one national park called Satyapura and two wildlife sanctuary Bori and Pachmari. As you can see here, this is the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. It consists of one national park called Satyapura National Park and two wildlife sanctuary Bori and Pachmari, which is situated or located in the Madhya Pradesh. This is about the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve, which is situated in the Madhya Pradesh. It consists of Satyapura National Park and Bori and the Pachmari. Two are the wildlife sanctuary and Satyapura is one of the national park which is situated in a Pachmari Biosphere Reserve in Madhya Pradesh. Next, fourth activity, list the factors disturbing the biodiversity of your area. Some of these factors and human activities may disturb the biodiversity unknowingly. So what is the question? We have to list out the factors which are disturbing our biodiversity, okay, of our area, and there are some of the factors are there which are human activities only. Okay, so here the answer, cutting of trees means deforestation, rising air, water and land pollution, excessive construction, using more resources or their products affect the biodiversity very harshly. As you can see here, the cutting of the trees means deforestation. It's also one of the factor which disturbs our biodiversity. Next, rising air, water and air pollution or the excessive construction. These all are the factors which disturbs our biodiversity. Here the main factor is human activities only. Now the next one, flora and fauna. Flora are the plants found in a particular area and fauna are the animals found in a particular area. So here one word you have to remember, flora means the plant which are found in a particular place or the area and the fauna are the animals which are found in a particular area. For example here, the flora of Pachmari consists of sal, teak, wild mango, jamun and silver ferns. In last slide only we have discussed the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve which is situated in Madhya Pradesh. And the next fauna of Pachmari consists of wild dog, cheetal, wolf, leopard, blue bull and barking deer. Now one by one we'll see all this flora and fauna of Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. This is the sal tree. Next one, teak tree, silver ferns, wild mango, and the last one, jamun plant. These all are the flora of Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. Now the next one, fauna of Pachmari Biosphere Reserve, wild dog, cheetal, next wolf, leopard, blue bull, and the last one, barking deer. These all are the flora and the fauna of Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. Now the fifth activity, try to identify the flora and fauna of your area and list them. Means we have to find out which type of the flora and the fauna is present in our locality. Flora means trees and the plants, people, sal, teak, kadamba, bubble, mango, gava, ferns, arjun, kika. These all are the flora present in our locality. Next, fauna means animals, blue bull, chinkara, cheetal, deer, leopard, wolf, wild dog. These are the fauna present in our locality. Now one by one we'll see the flora and the fauna of our locality or area. The peepal tree here, next sal tree, teak, kadamba, bubble, mango tree, gava tree, ferns, arjun tree. Now the last one, kika. These all are the flora of our locality. Now the next one, the fauna. Blue bull, chinkara, cheetal, deer, leopard, wolf, and last one, wild dog. These all are the wolf and this is the wild dog. These all are the flora and the fauna of our locality. Now the next one about endemic species. Now here what is the meaning of endemic? Endemic means native or restricted to certain place. So here endemic species means endemic species are those species of plants and animals found only in a particular area and not found anywhere else. Means endemic species means what? The species of the plants and animals found in a particular area. They are not found in anywhere else. Those are called as endemic species. Here the examples: Sal and wild mango are the endemic flora of Pachmari. We have discussed already about the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. So which kind of the flora are endemic to the Pachmari? Sal and wild mango. Bison, Indian giant squirrel and flying squirrel are the endemic fauna of this area. Now one by one we'll see the endemic species of Pachmari. This is a sal tree, mango. These are the endemic flora of Pachmari. Bison, Indian giant squirrel and flying squirrel. Now the question comes, why it is called as the giant squirrel? What is the meaning of giant? Giant is nothing but the long, okay, or the large. Here because of the presence of the large tail, this is called as the Indian giant squirrel. This is all about the endemic species of the Pachmari.